Hello, I'm Mayor Eric Garcetti, and today I'm pleased to announce the launch of the Regional Alliance Marketplace for Procurement, or RAMP. RAMP, which is replacing the Los Angeles Business Assistance Virtual Network, is our first of its kind regional procurement portal. It will be open to external public and private sector agencies alike to provide free business certifications and opportunities to create a public vendor profile and build new relationships for you, your agency, or your business. The launch of RAMP couldn't come at a better time because we have some huge events that are on the horizon right here in Southern California. Events worth billions of dollars for economic opportunity in our region, including the World Cup in 2026 and the Olympic and Paralympic Games in 2028. The world is coming here. We want you to be part of it. And together with our public and private sector partners, we expect RAMP to have more than $10 billion pooled in procurement opportunities. Best of all, it's free to sign up and register. So if your agency or organization wants to partner with us and post your procurement opportunities on RAMP, please reach out. And to any businesses out there that haven't already registered on our platform, I encourage you, do so today. Sign up and get ready to ramp up your business. Thank you, and see you on the Regional Alliance Marketplace for Procurement, or RAMP.